Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am Brahmananda. Today I deal with 7th standard science, the lesson acid, basis and salts. Before entering into the lesson, I will ask some questions to you. You have to answer them. Is it? Here in this table, the substances. The first column is filled with substances. These substances are edible. What is meant by edible? Edible is nothing but a fit to eat. Now thin bowl. That is called as edible things. Lemon, orange, and baking soda and the curd. These are the edible substances which I have taken in the first column. What you have to tell is the taste of these substances. The taste of these substances. Okay, whether these substances will taste as sour or a bitter. Is it? No. First thing, lemon. How it is and how it will taste like? Yes, it will taste like sour. How it will taste like sour, and sour is a taste of lemon. Then what about the orange? Yes, very good. It is also sour in taste. Very good. Then what about the baking soda? Where we will use baking soda? Yes, for preparing the food. Bhaji adu madlak use martivalri. That is called as baking soda. Then what is the taste of baking soda? Can you? Yes, very good. It is a bitter in taste. It is bitter in taste. Then tell me what is the taste of curd? Only you have to tell. Only you have to choose that whether it is in a sour or it is in a bitter. Do you know what is sour and bitter? Yes, sour is nothing but the huli. Huli. Is it? Then bitter is nothing but the kahi. That is called as bitter. Then what about the curd? Curd is very good. That is sour in taste. Alright? Just and one more caution is that without your elders' permission and without your parents' permission, you can't taste and you can't touch anything. Isn't it? Yes. Move to the next. So, then what is meant by acids? See. Acids. Acids are how they will taste like? Yes. They are sour in taste. They are sour in taste. Is it? First part. Then, how the word acid comes from? Yes, the acid word comes from Latin word. That is Latin word. That is Latin word. What is that Latin word? That is acere, or we will pronounce it as a acera also. What is the meaning of this acere or acera? Which means sour in taste. Is it? Which means sour in taste. Once again I will tell. Acid is the word which comes from the Latin word that is called as acere or acera, which means sour in taste. Now you have got the points about these acids. In this table, which substances are acid in nature or are acidic in nature? Yes, first one. Lemon is sour and it contains acid in it, and it is an acidic substance. Then orange is also sour, and we can tell that orange is also acidic in nature. Can you tell that baking soda is acidic? No, sir. Why? Because it is bitter in taste. Then what about the curd? Yes, curd is also acidic in nature because it has a sour in taste. Have you got it? Punch? Yes. Next, come to the what is meant by base. What is meant by base? Yes, bases are bitter in taste. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತವ್ರಿ ಅವು ಕಹಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. Is it ಕಡ್ವಾ ಅಂತೇವೆ? Yes, bases are bitter in taste, and they will feel like we will feel like soapy while touching it. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ when we will touch now we will feel like soapy one type sabun type ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is called as base or that is bitter in taste. Okay, and one more thing we have to do is sir, the substance which contains acids in it, the substance which contains acids in it, then the nature of that substance is acidic. Then the nature of substance is acidic. Then the nature of the substance is acidic. Then when the substance contains base in it, when the substance contains base in it, then the substance or the nature of the substance is called as basic in nature. The basic in nature. Now you have got the point about that, about acids and bases. Is it? Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Very good. Now can you tell me that here lemon is a acidic or basic? Very good. It is a acidic in nature. Then what about the orange? Orange is also acidic in nature. Then what about the baking soda? It is basic in nature. Very good, because it is taste like bitter and it tastes as bitter. Then what about the curd? Curd is a acidic in nature because it tastes as sour in taste. I have a question for you. Can you tell me, without tasting any substance, can you tell me the nature of the substance? Isn't? Yes. How? Yes, with the help of indicators. Without tasting and substance, or without tasting any substance, we can tell that the nature of the substance. The nature of the substance is nothing but whether the substance is in acidic or in a basic in nature. Okay. Indicators. With the help of indicators, we can tell that the nature of the substance. Then what is meant by indicators? What they will do? Yes, they shows the nature of the substance. How, sir? Yes. How means with the indication of the color, colors. We will see in we will get natural indicators as first one litmus paper. What is that? Litmus paper. And the second one is turmeric. Turmeric also a indicator. Okay. Then third one is petals of chinarose. What's that? Petals of chinarose. 3 natural indicators we will use to test the nature of the substance. Are you getting? Yes. First, we will study about the only litmus papers. First thing is litmus paper. What's with the litmus paper? Sir, how they are? Yes, they are like this. See, only 2 types of for testing the nature of the substance, whether the substance is in acidic or in a basic. We will use 2 types of indicators. That is called as, in that litmus paper we will use 2 types of litmus paper. One is red litmus paper and another one is blue litmus paper. Red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Sir, elinda bartave sir? From where we will get these? Sir, we will get these from lichen plants or lichens. What's that? Lichen. Is it? From the lichens we will get these litmus papers. Sir, what is meant by lichens? Yes, lichens are, they will grow on the rocks and the plants. Is it? Like this they will grow on the rocks and the plants. And the lichens are actually combination of fungus and algae. These are the combination of fungus and algae, and from this the litmus papers are extracted. From lichens the litmus papers are extracted. Yes. Okay. How many litmus papers we have seen now? Yes, there are two litmus papers. First one is red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Okay, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Sir, how can we test the nature of this substance using these litmus papers? How we can? Yes, we can test using these two litmus papers. How, sir? Now I will show that. If the substance is acidic in nature, see here, if the substance is acidic in nature or a substance is acid, it contains the acid. Main points, these are the main points, you have to remember this. If the substance is acidic, then the blue litmus paper, the blue litmus paper changes to red color. If the substance contains acid, okay, then the blue litmus paper changes to red color. Okay, then what about the base? If the substance contains base, then the red litmus paper will changes to blue in color. Then the red litmus paper changes to blue in color. Okay, blue color. Now, what is that? If the substance contains acid in it, then the blue litmus paper will changes to red color. If the substance contains base in it, then the red litmus paper will changes to blue in color. These 2 points you have to memorize all the time. Can you tell me that now? The lemon contains what? Acidic, or it contains acid. Now, lemon is an acid, or a lemon juice is an acidic in nature. Then, can you tell me, what about the litmus paper will change? How it will change us to? Yes. If the substance is acidic, for example, lemon is an example, then the blue litmus paper will change us to red in color. Note on why? Okay. Firstly, lemon. Very good. Lemon. I will extend this table too. Effect on red litmus and effect on blue litmus. And the nature of the substance, we can write it afterwards. Okay. So first thing, what is that? Lemon. Can we test it? If the substance is acidic, lemon is an acidic in nature. Then acid. For acids, blue litmus paper will changes to red in color. This is the blue litmus color. Okay. This is an lemon juice. Now see. ಯಾವ color change ಆಗಬೇಕು? Yes, very good. It has to change to red in color. Now you can see that it is changing to red in color. Is it miracle? Yes. Now we can say that it is a what happened to the blue litmus paper? Blue litmus paper changes to red. Then what about the red litmus paper? We can test it. Yes, this is the red litmus paper. Now check it. I'm dipping inside this. Any changes? No changes. We can write it as a no change. No change in it. Otherwise dash. Otherwise red into red also. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಅನ್ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ acids blue litmus paper, blue litmus paper changes to red color, but the red litmus paper no change, otherwise it changes to red only. Okay, otherwise you can put it as a dash also. Now next one is orange. Orange is acidic in nature or basic in nature? Yes. Orange juice. See, orange juice. Orange juice is it is a basic in nature, is it? No sir, it is acidic in nature. Be concentrate. Okay, if the substance is acidic, then blue litmus paper will change to red in color. Let's check. It is a blue litmus paper. I am dipping inside this. Wow, it's also miracle. It changes to red in color. Then we can say that the orange juice is also a sour taste, and also we can tell that it is the what? It is the acidic in nature, and the blue litmus paper changes to red. Then what about the red litmus paper? We can check. It is also. See, this is the red litmus paper. I am dipping inside this. Is any changes? No changes. We can write it same as like lemon juice. That is red. That is red. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Now third one is baking soda. Very good. Baking soda. Baking soda ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. That is the baking soda. Then baking soda contains base in it. Baking soda contains base in it. Why sir? Because it tastes as bitter in taste. That's why it contains base in it. Now check. If the substance is base, or if the substance is basic in nature, then what is that? Red litmus paper will change to blue. Now check it. This is the red litmus paper. Now see, this is the baking soda. What will happen? Oh my god, it changes to blue in color. That means it seems to be, it is in basic in nature. What is that? Red litmus paper. See, you can see here, it's actually first red litmus paper, it changes to blue in color. Red litmus paper changes to blue in color. Okay, then what about the blue litmus paper? ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು blue litmus paper? ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Very good. No change. There is no change. Very good. You can write it as well as blue also. Otherwise, you can write it as a dash, whatever it will. Then we can tell that baking soda is basic in nature. Now last one, curd. Very good. Curd is a acidic in nature. Why sir? Because it's a sour in taste. Now we can test it. This is the curd. Are you seeing this? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. Okay, this is the curd. Yes, this is the curd. Sir, we know that curd is a sour in taste. That's why it is acidic in nature. Now test it. Take a blue litmus paper. Why I am taking blue litmus paper? Because for acids, blue litmus paper has to change to red in color. Now take it and dip inside this. Whether it is changing? Yes sir, it is changing. Now see, it is changed to a red in color. Red in color. Now we can write it here as the curd is sour and it is acidic in nature. Then the blue litmus paper changes to what? Yes, that is changes to red in color. Then what about the red litmus paper? You can check now. Take a red litmus paper and check it once. Whether it is changing? No sir, no change in red litmus paper. That's why we can write it here as a red as usual. Red as usual. Okay, some more items we will check now. What's that? Now lime water. Now we will check the lime water. Lime water. What's mean the lime water? Yes, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕೋತಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ಸುಣ್ಣನೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಿದ್ದು ಸುಣ್ಣದ ತಿಳಿ ನೀರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಎಸ್, lime water is without taste. We can't taste it. Still now, I have not tasted this one. Sir, without tasting, can we tell that? Yes, with the help of red and blue litmus paper, we can tell that whether the lime water is acidic or basic in nature. Now check it. Take a red litmus paper or a blue litmus paper. First, we can check with the blue litmus paper. This is lime water and I'm dipping this blue litmus paper. Any changes? No changes. The blue litmus paper has been changed to blue only. It has unchanged. It remains unchanged and it remains constant. The blue litmus paper will unchanged. As usual, we will write here blue only. Then test with the red litmus paper. Very good. Test with red litmus paper. Yes, it's changing its color. Very good. See, the red litmus paper has been changed to which color? Blue in color. That means it shows that lime water is also a what? Lime water is also a yes. It's a basic in nature. It's the basic in nature. Why? Because red litmus paper has been changed to blue in color, but blue is unchanged. Blue will be unchanged. That's why it is, we can't taste it. Adu now taste madala. That's why lime water is blue in color. Okay, which is basic in nature. Okay, now I will write. Okay, the lemon is sour, 1 point, and blue litmus paper has been changed to red in color here, and the nature of the substance is acidic. What's that? Acidic. Then what about the orange juice or orange? Its taste as sour, and the blue litmus paper has been changed to red in color. That shows that the substance is in acidic in nature. Very good. Then what about the third one? Baking soda. Baking soda is bitter in taste, and the red litmus paper has been changed to blue in color. That shows that the baking soda is basic in nature. Very good. Baking soda is basic in nature. Then what about the curd? Curd is sour in taste, and the blue litmus paper has been changed to the red. That means the curd contains acid in it, and it is the acidic in nature. Taste na madella. Then the red litmus paper changed to blue. See, the red litmus paper changed to blue in color. That shows that this lime water is basic in nature. With the help of soap, another one example I can take here. Soap water. This is the soap water. Let's check whether it is basic in nature or acidic in nature. First, we can check with the blue litmus paper. Now I am checking this. Otherwise, I will remove. Now see. Any changes in color? No, sir. Is it? There is no color change. Now take red litmus paper. Now dip in it. It changes to what? It changes to blue in color. That seems to be, that is known as, then the soap water is acidic or basic in nature. This is basic in nature. With what? Red litmus paper changes to blue, and the blue litmus paper remains constant. Otherwise, we can write it as a blue like this. Then the soap water is basic in nature. It is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Then I have doubt for you. I have doubt. Sir, all water mix lemon में lemon no water mix orange में baking soda curd water mix then lime water water then soap water water. Sir, you ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, sir, water is whether basic in nature or acidic in nature. Can you think? Yes, we can check it with the help of water. No, don't worry. Water is acidic or basic in nature. First, we can take this red litmus paper. Water is there. Dip in it. Is there any color change? That means blue litmus paper remains constant. The water is not acidic in nature. Remove it. Then what about the red litmus paper? Dip in the water. Is there any color change? No, sir. Then what is that? Water another ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is neither be acidic in nature nor be basic in nature. It is neutral. This is the neutral solution. Then, ಯಾವುದೇ taste ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ sour or bitter? Water ಗೆ there is no taste for water. Yes. The red litmus paper changes to nothing and it remains red only, and the blue litmus paper change, nothing will changes. Then blue litmus paper will be blue in color. Then the nature of the water is neutral. That is neutral. That is neutral. See, acids, if the substance is acidic in nature, then the blue litmus paper changes to red in color. Suppose a base, suppose the substance is in base in nature, then the red litmus paper changes to blue in color. This lesson is helpful for SSLC students also. This lesson nimga 10th SSLC makkaligu help agtade. Just watch it once. Is there any doubts? You can ask me on comments, or otherwise I will write my number here. This is my WhatsApp number. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, then today's homework for you is you have to tell that ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಲೆಮನ್ ಒಳಗನೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಒಳಗನೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆದ್ರಿ. Is it? You have to answer that. Today's homework is that which acid is present in lemon and orange? Only two things. Which acid is present in lemon and in orange? Comment box ಒಳಗೆ comment ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದ್ರಿ. Otherwise you can message to this number. Okay, is there any doubts? You can ask me anytime. Okay, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.